SK regularly. In this video, we will learn how to create Briefcase. Right click on your desktop, then click on the new. A new cascading dialog box will be displayed. Here click on the Briefcase. Rename it. Now drag and drop your document that you want to update. After paste your document in Briefcase, you can perform updation in your original document. After apply updation, save it. Still there is no updation apply in your Briefcase. If you want to apply updation in your Briefcase, so simply click on right, then click on the update all. In this dialog box, click on the update button. Automatically updation will be applied in your Briefcase.